how's your day going so far? So, I've done a whole lot of tiny cards of anime and comic book characters and stuff. So I figured I'd mix this up a little bit and draw me some Chibi characters for the first time. Today, I'm doing my take on Captain America, standing defiantly while rockets fly overhead. If you're new to the channel, hit that like button and comment down below what you think. And why not hit that red subscribe button? It's free! So there you go. Chibi Captain America from the Avengers. Take care, guys. Bye.